Welcome to Vocabulary Boost. Today, we're learning 5 simple words that you can use at work. These words will help you talk about your job, work with others, and stay organized. Let's get started.
First, we have the word deadline. A deadline is the last day or time when something must be finished. For example, we need to finish the project by Friday's deadline. Deadlines are important because they help you know when your work needs to be done.
Next is presentation. This word means showing and explaining something to a group of people, like in a meeting. For example, she gave a presentation about the new product. Presentations help you share your ideas with others.
Now let's talk about efficiency. Efficiency means doing your work in a way that saves time and energy. For example, the team improved their efficiency by using a new tool. Being efficient means you get more done in less time.
Another important word is collaborate. Collaborate means working together with other people to get something done. For example, we collaborated on the project to make it a success. Collaborating with others helps you share ideas and get better results.
Finally, we have agenda. An agenda is a list of things to talk about or do in a meeting. For example, let's follow the agenda so we don't miss anything important. An agenda helps keep meetings organized and on track.
Let's test your new words. Which word means the last time something must be finished? Deadline, agenda, efficiency. The correct answer is deadline. If you work together with other people to finish a project, which word do you use? Presentation, agenda, collaborate. The correct answer is collaborate. Which word means a list of things to talk about in a meeting? Deadline, agenda, presentation. The correct answer is agenda. Great job! Today, we learned 5 simple words that you can use at work to help you communicate better. Try using these words in your next meeting or project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vocabulary boosts. See you in the next episode.